$17,400. 3 years. One EV owner's nightmare bill, and the dealer said nothing. And this isn't an isolated case. Thousands of EV owners in 2026 are hitting the same wall. In this video, I'll reveal the 3 hidden costs silently destroying your electric car investment, and the one EV that actually holds its value. The pitch sounds perfect. Zero emissions, cheap fuel, save the planet, save your money. But here's the dirty secret that dealers and manufacturers don't tell you. 3 financial traps are quietly draining thousands from your wallet, and most owners don't even realize it until it's too late. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid them and which EV is actually worth your hard-earned money. The biggest lie in the EV industry is the battery warranty. Most manufacturers give you an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Sounds safe, right? Wrong. In 2026, replacing an EV battery costs between $15,000 and $30,000, and most batteries start seriously degrading around year 7 or 8, just as the warranty expires. Tesla Model 3 replacement? $16,000. Nissan Leaf? $8,500, and the car itself may only be worth $9,000. Some owners have received multiple notices from dealerships warning of impending battery issues months before the warranty ended. Yet no real solutions are offered. You're basically buying the car twice. This isn't a simple repair. It's financial suicide. Next is the depreciation disaster. EVs are losing money faster than gas cars, often without owners realizing it. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 lost 47% of its value in just 2 years, the Chevy Bolt 52% in 3, and some Nissan Leafs as much as 60%. Meanwhile, a Toyota Camry from the same year only lost 25%, and a Honda CR-V just 22%. You're not saving money on fuel. You're losing it every day your EV sits in the driveway. EV models are evolving faster than ever, with new releases every 6 months, instantly making last year's car feel outdated. One owner bought a 2023 Electron Volts thinking it was future-proof, but by 2025 resale offers were half of what he paid. It's not a car. It's a subscription you can't cancel. The third trap is the charging cost. Everyone says EVs are cheap to charge. At home, maybe 15 cents per kilowatt hour, but public fast charging in 2026 ranges from 48 cents to 65 cents per kilowatt hour, almost as expensive as gas. No home charger? You're stuck paying $80 to $120 a month minimum. Installing one costs $1,200 to $2,500, and with hidden EV registration fees in 31 states reaching up to $250 per year, the numbers add up fast. Let's total it. Battery degradation $15,000 plus. Depreciation $20,000 plus, charging and registration $5,000 plus. That's $40,000 in hidden costs on a car that was supposed to save you money. Many owners experience this as a shock when the bills and losses start stacking up, leaving them frustrated and powerless. So, which EV is actually worth it in 2026? The Tesla Model Y Long Range. It has the largest charging network in America, best-in-class battery longevity with 85% capacity after 200,000 miles, and resale value 35% better than other EVs in its class. It's not perfect, but it's the least risky choice right now. If you already own an EV, paying attention to these hidden costs and the right model could save you thousands. Regular battery maintenance and avoiding excessive public fast charging can reduce hidden costs by 20 to 30%. But choosing the right car upfront is the smartest move. Before you spend $40,000 or $50,000 on any electric car, watch my next video. I'm ranking the 5 worst EVs you can buy in 2026 by real depreciation data. Link is right here. Subscribe, because every video I drop could save you tens of thousands. I'll see you in the next one.